A corner unit brick townhome situated within the popular Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood. Welcome to 31 Enroutes Street. Showcasing the unique feature of a fully above-grade lower level, this home has approximately 2,000 square feet of finished interior living space and also features a covered front porch, 3 balconies, one which is a decorative exterior element, a carport, and a single-car garage. The ceramic-tiled mid-level foyer has hardwood stairs to both the lower and main levels, with the main level showcasing an open theme flow and design, a soft neutral color palette, abundant natural lighting, as well as gleaming oak hardwood flooring throughout the living and dining rooms, the main hallway, and the family room. An exceptional entertaining space, the modern sophisticated feel of the living room is balanced by the warmth and intimacy of a dining area featuring a 3-light rectangular linear chandelier and the rustic accent of a wall finished with whitewashed wood planks. Off the main hall is a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink, while the hallway leads into the family room and kitchen area, where a columned half wall provides separation between the spaces without interfering with the open flow. Track lighting and a modern chandelier brighten the kitchen and breakfast areas, both which are finished with ceramic flooring. And the kitchen additionally features wood cabinetry, a mosaic tiled glass backsplash, as well as a stainless steel oven with smooth cooktop, fridge with bottom mount freezer, dishwasher, and a double sink. The breakfast area has a built-in bench seat surrounded by display and storage cabinets, and through the sliding door walkout is a balcony stretching across the width of the home and offering approximately 100 square feet of outdoor entertaining space. Brightened by an elegant chandelier, the ambient vibe of the family room is accentuated by the coziness of its corner gas fireplace that is surrounded by a cream-colored mantel and a stacked stone floor-to-ceiling facade. To the upper level is an oak hardwood staircase, and just like the main floor, this level has a neutral color palette and abundant natural light for a fresh, airy atmosphere throughout. Carpeting brings coziness to the hallway and to the second and third bedrooms, both which are nicely sized and have double closets, while the third bedroom also has a walkout onto the upper level's east-facing balcony. These bedrooms also have contemporary light fixtures and share the main 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and with the linen closet conveniently located right across the hall. A beautiful personal retreat, the master bedroom has north-facing windows with privacy shades, new hardwood flooring, built-in display shelves, as well as a walk-in closet complete with organizers and space-saving pocket doors. Along the short hall to the ensuite washroom is a second, smaller walk-in closet, as well as a separate storage closet, while the ensuite itself features ceramic finishes, a soaker tub, a separate walk-in shower area, and an updated vanity with quartz counter and double undermount basins. Well-placed windows throughout allow for abundant natural lighting, while beautiful modern light fixtures add complementary artificial brightness, and the entrance foyer is no exception. Suspended from its cathedral ceiling is a hurricane-style light fixture, and with only a half wall between it and the living room, its 2-story window, as well as the side lights and oversized transom of its glass-paneled entry door, bring copious amounts of natural light into the home. The fully above-grade lower level has a ceramic-tiled landing, off of which is a coat closet and access to the garage. And the remainder of this level is a naturally bright recreation area finished with laminate flooring and pot lighting, while behind 2 sets of sliding doors are separate storage spaces, one which is combined with a laundry area that has a stacked washer and dryer. A short walk to William Hancock's Park, this home is also close to schools, an arena, a community center, the shopping, restaurants, and entertainment along Danforth Avenue, as well as the Danforth GO and Main Street subway stations, and has easy access to the Don Valley Parkway.